3 seconds. The rule of law is the foundation of every democratic society. It ensures that all persons are treated equally before the law, irrespective of their status, position, or power. Law exists to maintain order, protect rights, and provide justice to citizens. Without law, society would fall into chaos and injustice would prevail. Legal responsibility means the obligation of a person to act according to the law and to bear the consequences of any violation. Every citizen is expected to know the basic laws of the land. Ignorance of law is not considered a valid excuse in the eyes of the court. When a person commits a wrongful act, whether intentionally or negligently, he becomes legally liable for his actions. The judiciary plays a vital role in interpreting laws and delivering justice. Courts ensure that disputes are resolved fairly and that punishment is awarded only after proper examination of facts and evidence. Principles of natural justice, such as the right to be heard and the rule against bias, are strictly followed. This strengthens public confidence in the legal system. In criminal cases, the burden of proof lies on the prosecution, which must establish the guilt of the accused beyond reasonable doubt. In civil cases, the standard of proof is based on the balance of probabilities. Both systems aim to protect innocent persons while ensuring that justice is served. Legal procedures may appear lengthy, but they are designed to prevent misuse of power and wrongful convictions. Proper documentation, witness examination, and adherence to procedural laws are essential parts of a fair trial. Any violation of procedure can weaken a case and lead to injustice. In recent times, the importance of legal awareness has increased. Citizens must understand their rights and duties to safeguard themselves against exploitation. In conclusion, legal aid services are available to help those who cannot afford legal representation. This ensures access to justice for all sections of society.